Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to show you how to change screen timeout on Windows 11. Let's start with the video. First of all, click on Windows icon and then click on settings. Here on the left hand side you will see the option system, so click on this option. Here you will see power and battery option, so click on this option. And in the power and battery section you will see the screen and sleep option, so click on this option. Here you will see two sections. One is plug-in, it means when your laptop is plug-in, and second one is on battery, it means when you are using your laptop on battery. So from these two sections you can set your time duration that suit your preference. Just like when your laptop is plug-in, so you can set your time duration from here. Like I will select 5 minutes for turn off screen and I will select 10 minutes for sleep mode. Similarly, you can select your time duration when you are using your laptop on battery. So I will select 10 minutes for turn off screen and 25 minutes for sleep mode. So you can change it according to your need. So guys, in this video we saw how to change screen timeout on Windows 11. So if you find the video helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.